On the mound for the Red Sox, Alan Webster making his third start. 1-1 with a 6.75 earned run average. Calhoun gaining his lead at first base. Pitch to Trout and a swing and a miss. 50 games combined. Now hits a fly ball to left field. Cespedes out there waiting. Puts it away to end things in the first inning. 1-2 pitch. Off the end of the bat, softly hit towards Pedroia. Dustin waits on it, then fires to first for the out. 8-pitch second inning for Webster. A 1-2-3 second. Hamilton chops into first base. Napoli's got it on the backhand. He'll tag the bag to end the inning. Line and caught. Pedroia will try to turn it into two, and he does. In the air to right field. Nava makes his way in and over towards the line. Makes the catch as Mike Trout flies out to right field to end the fifth. Swing and a miss, and Pujols strikes out. Swing and a miss, and Kendrick strikes out. That is the third strikeout of the night for Webster. Fly ball, shallow left. Cespedes started back. Now he comes in and has time to recover as he makes the catch for out number 2. First move was back for Cespedes, but they're now 2 outs in the inning. Runner at first, and that is the outing for Alan Webster.